Hello and welcome to One Two Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can archive your Reels on Instagram. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Instagram on your phone. After you open Instagram, go to your profile. Then you can go to Reels and you can see some of your Reels over here. Let's suppose I want to archive this Reel over here. So I'll just go ahead and tap on it, go to its settings, and you can see the option of manage. Go ahead and tap on manage and you can see the archive on the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it and click archive. After you click on archive, you can see your reel on your archive. So if you go to your page over here, you no longer will see this video over here. So you can go to the delete option if you want to delete, or go to this and you can see show on your profile. If you click on show on your profile, your reel will show up on your profile and people will be able to find and react it with again. So you can see that currently it is turned on archive. Now if you go back to your profile and see the video, it will not be available. If you want to look at it once again, go ahead and tap on the three lines on the top right and go to archive. After you go to archive, go to post archive and you can see this is the reel. Go ahead and tap on it, go to show on profile and click on show on profile once again, and you can see that this can be restored. So guys, this is how to archive your reels on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.